Welcome, boys. It's going to be a little bit of an update on what we got going on around the house. Progress we've made. We'll start on this side of the house. Back there, as we can see, a big mountain of dirt. It used to be bigger, but we've spread some over here, building this up so that the rain will wash away from our basement, our foundation. Got a little bit more to go. I just thought I'd take a little bit of a break just to film. Also filled in this rut, which wasn't here last time, but the neighbors got like 100 cars and they've been parking in front of my house, which is fine, but then they park in my yard and dig a big old rut. So let's see here. Oh, trash guy destroyed my mailbox, and my mail hasn't been getting delivered because people have been parking too close to it. So we got the cones set up there. The cones were left here after the concrete people finished the driveway. We got a kerosene canteen and a big old kerosene heater, which will be used to heat the garage in the winter while we're working on cars, because it gets a little cold in there when it gets down into the negatives, as I've noticed. So this is what the concrete guys have done. I figured I'd film when the cars aren't here, because I've had the BMW sitting here lately. This is not as much gravel as I've needed to gravel everything, but it's a good start, I guess, to get another vehicle back here if I need to. So we'll flatten this out, and then I've got enough dirt to make it now level where the pool is going to go, and then I'm probably going to have some extra after I build up alongside the house. I guess what I have extra then I can maybe throw along here, kind of do the same. And then we still need to get a gate here so that we can access the backyard from this side of the house if needed. So that's what we got going on in the back. I'll need to clean this stuff all up when I get around to it. All this wood that I was using for the Beetle, as we can see, last time it was much higher, it's much lower now, and that's because the engine's completely done. I just gotta jack it up maybe another couple inches to get it where it needs to be. I'll have Katie help me with that one day when I'm not so tired. We also have new lighting coming. I'll probably do a video on that, but we'll be getting rid of these and then adding a bunch of LED things all over the place that are super bright. So it'll be so bright in here, it'll rival even P&W Car Mods Maintenance's garage. The artist formerly known as Mr. Black. Not much going on in the basement here, except you'll see for my Beetles now over there between those two cabinets, the back seat. And I think I forgot to mention in the last video, but I did do all this myself. It started with like one square in the middle, and then out and around, and then now we have an actual basement here, floor. Still's all cluttered over here, but as the Beetle gets more and more done, some parts do move. And whereas last time I had the winter tires stacked up here for the Crown Vic, now those are the all seasons because the winter tires are currently on the P71. I guess while we're here in the basement, though, for those who might be fans, I did get Katie some pretty awesome Xmas gifts, in my opinion, I think. I thought they were pretty cool. She liked it as well. Again, I mentioned last time, this big door here will be my table. Eddie, what you doing? Being great? these are the lights. Well, if they weren't laying down here, I might be able to more easily see them. They're taking up a lot of space in here, but that's what we got. So they'll be going up. Once I get the Beetle operational, I can move it. So while I'm on vacation, that's a high priority because I'm taking 22 days off this month. Alright, well, I think that's about it. So just a short... Eddie... Alright, we're going this way because Eddie's going to try to bail on me. So I think right now we're going to go get some kerosene for the heater, just so it's ready to rock. And then after that, after we get the kerosene, I'll go back to finishing the yard work. So, alright, well, mostly just to see the garage, what it's kind of got, what it has going on, and then our driveway here. So, alright, hope you enjoyed the short little update video, and I will film as we have progression. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.